Hey guys, and welcome to another tutorial on this channel. In this tutorial you'll be learning about how to customize your homepage on iOS 14 on your iPhone. So let's get started. So first of all you'll need an app called Widgetsmith. So just right here, all you need to do is you just go into the App Store and download Widgetsmith. So once you've downloaded that, so there's different widget sizes. So there's small, medium, and large. So when I was customizing my iOS 14 homepage, I only just used medium and small right here. So right here I need more pictures of for my yellow app. So I mean, all you have to do is just go on here, and then you could just type in anything which has like a sort of like that yellow background maybe. So I could just type in yellow aesthetic right here. So I'll go on images and then just go through whatever one I like, I guess. So I'll just choose I'll just choose one. So I'll just choose like this one maybe, and then all you need to do is just hold on it and then press add to photos. So once you're here, so all you need to do is go back on Widgetsmith, and then I want to add like a medium widget. So so all you need to do is just press add medium widget, then just select on the medium whatever number there is, then type it, and then I mean you don't have to type in anything, but just press on default widgets, and then all you need to do is just go down and then press photos. So it'll be under the custom section. So just press photos, and then just press on selected photos at the bottom, then press choose photo, and then right here press on that, press on the picture you want, and then so yeah, right here. So not all of it fit because it was sort of like in a portrait way, but I'll just change it after. So all you need to do, so that's done. So press on medium, 9 at the top left, and then here just press save. And then right here, all you need to do, just hold on one of the widgets on your home screen, or if you don't have any widgets, just go here and then just hold on any widget, and then press edit home screen. And then after you can just go through here, then press add on the top left, press that right here, scroll all the way down to Widgetsmith, just press on that, and then here we want to add a medium right here. So we already added a medium, so we're just gonna choose medium. So press add widget here, and then right here it'll just go automatically on here. So so you could so if it goes on to a different if it chooses a different image, all you need to do is just press on the widget, and then press on widget, and then just click on any widget that you remember. So yeah, so once you press on that, it'll be there right there. So yeah, so and then right here you could just customize it. So I could just put it like here, or yeah, I'll just put it at the bottom. Now I might need more apps to fill it in. So yeah, so that was widget right there, how to add your widget onto your home screen. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to subscribe and leave a like for more tutorials like these in the future. If you want to learn more tutorials like these, make sure to check out the playlist in the link description down below. Thanks for watching.